Get up. It's time to do farm chores. My leg hurt. I didn't tell you that. I busted my leg open. To the bone on a barrel. Ooh, shit, my damn SIs hurt. And for all you bitches got something to say about my damn slides, I got some new ones on you hoes. Good morning, doll. Hello, little angel. Wookie. Hi, Lola, mama. What her doing? Who else got a sink in their tack room? Me. Cause I'm bougie. Who else got granite in their tack room? Me. Cause I'm bougie. These broke hoes could never. What I'm talking about, I'm broke too. The fuck? Bitch, I'm in debt. People always want to be like, Matt, you're rich now. No, bitch, I'm not. I'm in debt. I got a mortgage. Lolo. Ugh. Damn, I look like I'm digging for gold. I had to make sure I didn't put no Previcox in there. She don't need no more drugs. I should also introduce the horses to y'all. Y'all don't know about them dynasty horses I currently got in my barn. I'll introduce y'all in a minute. Okay, let's go over what I feed. Now this is real controversial. It's probably gonna piss y'all off. I don't give a fuck, but horses are not designed to eat grain. I know you hate hearing that because y'all want to go to the store and buy your sweet feed and call it a day. Horses aren't designed to eat that shit. So, I feed alfalfa pellets, which is nothing but alfalfa. Ooh, shit. Okay, if y'all don't know what alfalfa is, y'all slow as hell. Alfalfa pellets, and then I also feed flax, which is just a good fat and amino acid, and it's also a natural anti-inflammatory. And then I know you hoes gonna be in the comments talking about, well, Matt, why do you only feed alfalfa pellets? Doesn't give them all their minerals and their vitamins, bitch. Cause that's right here. This is Vermont blend, which is all the amino acids, minerals, all the shit and things that they need that they don't get in just alfalfa pellets. I already made Hush Money and Lolo's because we was at a barrel race this weekend. Also, you can see that my horses do not get much alfalfa pellets because, again, they're on grass and alfalfa and hay, free choice. I also feed my barrel horses Simply Equine allergy support just to help with their breathing, especially when we're up and down the road so that they don't get fucked up. This is Equine Health Solutions amino acids. I think I said that there was amino acids in that. There's not, that's just vitamins and minerals. I'm talking outside of my ass. Then I also give them these equiflavin pellets, just as a little, it's just, what are the ingredients? Alfalfa and bioflavonoid extracts. Google the shit, I ain't got time. And then from there they get Osteomax from 100X Equine. This is good for their joints. Even my non-barrel horses get this. That shit hard. It don't look real. Girl, get off of that shit. That what y'all men be looking like. Then they also get Gut-X. They also get Gut-X by 100X Equine. This is just good for their gut. Those two don't get it because they don't ever leave the house. Then we add some water. Put some water on that shit so y'all's damn horses don't be fucking choking. Y'all love to feed y'all's damn animals some shit and don't put no water on that shit. Then mix that shit up. Keep rolling, rolling, rolling. I really just entertain myself. All right, let's feed the angels. First up, we have the princess lady. This is Lolo. If you guys aren't familiar with Lolo, this is the Lolo. Hey mama, I'm giving it to you. This is my bestie, Fallon Taylor's mare. She is Baby Flo and Blazing Jetalina. Then we have my angel Hush Money. This is also Fallon's mare. She is also Baby Flo by Slick by Design. This is Priscilla and Wookie, my little precious lady. She's 23. This is the first horse I bought when I lived in a trailer park and I was 18. She's been everywhere with me. Also, you can see how fat she is. She gets this much alfalfa pellets, just enough for her vitamins. And Wookie steals her damn bucket. Wookie! Jesus. This is my retired mare, Doll. She is an own granddaughter to Firewater Flit and Easy Jet. But she's psychotic, so she can't make a barrel horse. And then this is the queen. This is Luna. She's allergic to flies, as y'all already know, so she's, you know. Luna is all running bred, so she doesn't have any barrel horses. She doesn't have any barrel genes. She's all running bred. She's out of Dash for Treasure and something else. But I've been running her for about 10 years. She's qualified me for 3 world titles. But right now she's resting, you know, cause she's a little getting older. She's 18 this year. Come the fuck on. Oh shit. Winnie, don't start your shit. Damn, who done got their ass beat? Somebody done scrubbed the ground with this bitch. I don't know which one, but somebody done got they shit rocked. You know, fucked y'all up. Come on. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Here I come. Here I come. Move. Move now, shit. Hey, you already know the drill. Hey, you know the drill. Sit. Sit. Thank you. What a beautiful boy you are. Come here, Winnie. Hell. Damn. Now see there with y'all's goofy asses. That's what you get. That's what you get for being goofy. Back up. Hell. Ooh. A rat done shit on my damn sidewalk. My sidewalk. My damn. Even in a beautiful Taj Mahal for chickens, you get fucking rats in here. And they ain't got no respect. They'll just shit all over the place. Anybody need some feathers? Hell, y'all really be pissing me off in here. Fighting and shit. Do it look like I raised fucking fighting roosters? No, bitch, so calm down. Trifling ass hoes. Shit is hot. There you go. Hungry ass hoes. You don't start with me. I'll bust your ass. I'm so tired of you. You saw she shut the fuck up, didn't you? That's how I do my children. That's how y'all need to do y'all's children. Maybe they act better. It's fucking hot as hell out here. I am ready to be cold. I am ready for my areolas to be hard as hell. Froze, slap the fuck off. I'm ready for Elsa to just let it go on my fucking asshole. I'm dead ass serious. I am so sick of this fucking heat. I'm tired of sweating. Ooh, God damn. I'm also looking for a man that want to do this shit for me because mine's in there fucking sleep. I'm coming. Move your asses. I am interested in a man 6 foot or above, beard, one that is not afraid to weed eat fence lines. I do pay well. You know, I mean, $25 an hour, cash. This is my chicken purse. She wanna be so damn broody all the time. I'm finna break this bitch's brood. Come here, bitch, we going shopping. Yeah, me and you. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Get in there. Me and you about to go shopping, baby girl. Shut up. Shut up. And don't fucking play with us. Since you want to stay on these damn eggs, you're gonna spend the day with me. You're gonna quit trying to have all these damn babies. You are not your Auntie Kale. Come on, we gotta push this. We gotta. Ooh. Ooh. Shit. Hey, be a lady. Be a lady. Hey, girl. Keep on. I'm gonna fuck your shit up. No, you ain't going nowhere. You're in timeout. Stop it. You're in timeout for the rest of the day. I'm sorry. I've told you 495 times. You're in timeout, and I'm not playing with you. Get your head out of there and quit acting up. Now you're acting out. We gotta go push the shit pile back. Shoot that thing up, mommy, make it roll. That's a lot of shit. Oh, God damn it. Oh my God. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Oh. Rob. Every time. Every time. Girl, come on. We gotta go get Rob.